Good morning. Welcome back to the Handmade Homestead. We've got a couple of really warm days coming up here. The next three, I think, over 90, and that's hot for Rhode Island. So I am going to be doing a little bit of harvesting. Not a lot, but I've got some radishes that need to come out and a couple of pretty tiny broccoli heads, but they definitely need to come out. So let's get going. Right over there, I have radishes right there. Good morning, girls. I love having a sink out here. Okay, that takes care of the radishes. Let's go find the broccoli. It's way down that way on the end with cabbages. This right here on the left at the bottom, those are kohlrabi turnips, I think, and then celery. So these heads are kind of little, you can see. But I have harvested off of these once already. Not that one, but these. So they're just side shoots that have grown back. And the leaves are edible too, so we'll eat some of those as well. Better pick those peas too before tomorrow's heat wave starts. I'm going to take these little ones too, just because it's going to be so hot. I don't want to pick beans in the next couple of days. Oop, I dropped one. Nothing like dropping them. And since I don't want to pick them in a couple of days, I better pick them now. No matter what you do, there's always some you missed on the other side. There, I think that takes care of the peas. The Handmade Homestead can be found on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and we look forward to seeing you there. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps so much, and we appreciate your time. Come bloom with us.